Hello. Anyways. I hate it here. I hate it here. Just wanted to let you know that. Cool. Stay. Please. This video is basically one person asked me to give a lip gloss, basically lip tutorial. And because that one person asked, I'm going to do it. Only one person really has to ask me to do something for me to feel valid in doing it. So thank you, that one person. I'm putting on this EOS lip balm because it feels good in the moment. It's kind of not really a good lip balm at all. Like, it doesn't really hydrate my lips at all, but it feels good in the moment. And that's what matters. But, moving on to the actual products that I used for this tutorial right here, that the person really wanted me to give them a tutorial on. My lip liner, Glass Gloss Vegan Lip Beauty. I need to get closer. I overline, but I don't do that much. I just do this. Because I overline them ever so slightly because I feel like my lips sometimes already feel too big as they are. Okay. Done with the poop lips. Whenever I do this, I always feel like I have poop lips. And then we go in. What does that say? Moncherry. Shade Moncherry. Definitely how you say it. From Beauty Bakery. This is pretty shade. And I'll just do a little bit of this. A few dabs. Frick. And then it looks like this. And you could leave it like this, honestly, if you don't want glitter. And this looks really pretty. But I can never help myself when it comes to glitter. And this is from Ari World's their glitter gloss. I love this stuff, but the problem with this is it literally stays. It's so hard to get this crap off. Hold on. It is so hard to get this stuff off. I will be scrubbing my face because I use it as highlighter sometimes or whatever. But on my lips too. But anywhere on my lips, face, it's so hard to get off, and I don't use it because of that sometimes. But then I'm like, sometimes I just go, you know what? I have to. Beautiful. A little more. Oh my god. Okay. This is it. The final product. And yes, I'm not wearing any makeup because I actually don't wear makeup every day, believe it or not. And I didn't feel like wearing makeup today, but I wanted to make this video. So, I hope you have a good day. And if you can have a good day, there's always tomorrow. Bye.
I live inside my own world of make